welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you are notified every single time that I post. In today's video, I'm going to be making a clear lip gloss using only one ingredient, which is castor oil. Of course, you can add your essential oils and flavoring oils to your mix as well. As you guys can see, the base is really clear, but once I add the castor oil, the base will kind of fog up. At the end of the video, I will be showing you guys that it's okay that it is a little bit foggy because it goes on crystal clear. So yeah, you guys, as you can see, I'm adding the castor oil into the mix and I'm mixing it up really well. If you haven't seen my last lip gloss making video, I'm using the Versagel by Red. She's a business owner as well as a YouTuber. I will leave her website down below so that if you want to get this Versagel, you will have access to it as well. But I'm just mixing in each and every video. Every time I make lip gloss, I wear gloves, I sanitize everything down, and I always use a new syringe and pipette. And thank you all for 300 subscribers. Also, you guys, if you're interested in purchasing this lip gloss, it is available on my new website. I have a new website and this gloss is available to purchase, and be sure to use the code SUBBY for 25% off. Only you guys have access to that code, my subscribers. So yeah. And I just showed you guys that I used the wild cherry flavoring oil from Get Suckered. I get all my flavorings from Get Suckered now. If you guys haven't seen my new lip gloss video, I used the banana split lip gloss. The banana split flavoring oil in that video, and I've been using Get Suckered ever since. I don't use Loren oils anymore. And I just want to give a few lip gloss making tips to my lip gloss makers out there, or if you're new to making lip gloss, you do not want to use aloe vera in your lip gloss, and you don't want to use Vaseline because, for one, Vaseline clogs the pores. It doesn't moisturize the lips or the skin, and aloe vera, once it gets hot, it gets really runny. And that is not the same consistency as lip gloss. Neither is Vaseline. So you want to make your lip gloss using Versagel only. I know you guys see like different videos of everyone using all these different things to make lip gloss, but for your business, you want to just use Versagel. Also, using coconut oil. You don't want to really use coconut oil in your lip gloss, because if you're using coconut oil that is not fractionated, meaning it's not cut with another oil, then the coconut oil will get hard. Like if you're selling lip gloss during the winter, your lip gloss will get hard and your customer will not be able to use it. So you guys, if you're going to use coconut oil, use fractionated coconut oil. Don't use the coconut oil that's sold in the store, because that oil, it gets hard when it's cold and it also melts when it's really hot. So that will change your consistency of your lip gloss. So yeah, if you guys have any questions for me as well, this is just research that I have been looking into since I've been making lip gloss. So yeah, I'm here to answer any of you guys' questions. I'm only using castor oil in this particular lip gloss. In my other lip glosses, I do use different oils, but you guys have to watch my other videos to see which oils that I use, because each lip gloss I use a different oil. And also, you can check out my website, because on my website I have all my ingredients listed. I don't keep any secrets from you guys. If you made it this far into the video, leave me a snowflake emoji in the comment section.